Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use HK Vitals fish oil capsules step by step. To begin, always check the product label for specific instructions regarding dosage. Generally, it's best to take your fish oil capsules with a meal. This helps your body absorb the beneficial omega-3 fatty acids more effectively and can also minimize any potential digestive discomfort. Remember, consistency is truly important for achieving the best results over time. Regarding dosage, most adults typically take 1 or 2 capsules daily, but always refer to the specific instructions on your HK Vitals bottle. For personalized advice, especially if you have existing health conditions, consulting a healthcare professional is highly recommended. To make it a consistent habit, try to take your capsules at the same time each day. This simple routine can significantly improve adherence and the overall effectiveness of your supplementation. HK Vitals fish oil offers numerous benefits, primarily supporting your heart health and cognitive function due to its rich omega-3 content. To ensure the longevity and effectiveness of your capsules, proper storage is crucial. Always keep the bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Additionally, make sure the cap is tightly sealed after each use to protect the capsules from moisture and air, preserving their freshness and potency. Finally, some important safety considerations. Always adhere strictly to the recommended daily dosage and never exceed it, as more is not always better. If you experience any adverse reactions or unusual symptoms after taking the capsules, discontinue use immediately and consult your doctor for guidance. As with all supplements, it is essential to keep HK Vitals fish oil capsules out of the reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. Your health and safety are paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.